Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now in today's video I'll be making a green juice. So I just come off the road and I feel hungry, so instead of making dinner I'm going to make a green juice as a substitute for that. So here I'm using young June plum, and I have some broccoli right here. This is some string bean, and here I have kale. This is the ice. This is some freshly picked turmeric that I have grown, and this is some lettuce and water. Get into it. Now guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like the video and share with all your friends. You can follow me on all socials at Suzie_Jamaica vibz. On Instagram, on Facebook you can find me at Suzie Jamaica vibz. On TikTok you can find me at Suzie_Jamaica vibz. And y'all know my email. My email will be logged in this video in the description box below. So if you have any business inquiries, you can go ahead and check that out right there. Now I'm adding everything into this blender head, and if anyone knows me, they know I don't like to wash blender after, hence why I get this smaller bullet, so I can it's very easier to work with. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some water to this. Now these are all vegetable, they have been frozen, so I'm adding some water, not too much water because I like the consistency to be thick. I'm going in, putting on the head. Now guys, green juice is a very healthy way of living. A green juice a day, keep the weight away. You want to stop for a while. This look a bit watery to me for my liking. Now guys, the June plum is optional. I don't normally use June plum, but because I found some June plum I decided to add it to it. So the June plum is optional. You don't have to use June plum. And whatever green vegetable you have, you can go ahead and add this to it. You can also add aloe vera. Aloe vera is also good if you can stand it. Now what I want to do, I want to get this very thin, because I'm not going to strain it, because you're not supposed to strain green juice, right? I see most people strain it, like my aunt and my cousin-in-law, they strain it, but for my preference, I don't think it's it works in the same way if you like strain it or something. So I like to blend it finely enough so that it can be swallowed easily. So let's go again. Let's check this consistency, see how well it has been blended. Now guys, I would recommend you guys make the green juice every day. You don't want to make it and store it, or you can probably like make it like for like 2 days and then put it in the fridge for the next day. But me in particular, I like to make my green juice every single day, so it's more fresh, because if you know this is very green and if you store it in the fridge, the color is gonna change after a period of time. So 1 day storage, that's fine, that should be fine. Now I'm just gonna throw some in this glass right here. See that thickness, guys? That's what I wanted. Yeah. Now you see this, I want to give my sister this, because she don't normally like these things, but whenever I make them I always give her and she always drink it. So let's go in for the test now, guys. Let's see. I can taste the turmeric. I think the turmeric, I add too much turmeric, it has overpowered the juice. But Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and leave a comment down below, and follow me on all socials at Suzie_Jamaica vibes. Thanks so much for watching.